हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। बच्चों, आज हम एक नया टॉपिक देखने वाले हैं। उस टॉपिक का नाम है द वैल्यू ऑफ फूड। टॉपिक का नाम क्या है? द वैल्यू ऑफ फूड, मतलब हमारे जीवन में अन्न का महत्व। द वैल्यू ऑफ फूड, जो फूड हम लोग खाते हैं उसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। सो बच्चों, आज हम लोग इस लेसन में फूड की वैल्यू जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। आप सबको पता है बच्चों, हम लोग घर पे खाना खाते हैं। कौन बनाता है ये खाना? बिल्कुल सही, अपनी माँ। माँ हमें खाना बनाकर देती है। क्या क्या रहता है रे बच्चों हमारे खाने में? ओके, बहुत कुछ रहता है। रोटी, दाल, चावल, चपाती, राइस, इसके साथ साथ अलग अलग फ्रूट्स, फिश, बहुत कुछ रहता है। वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं, एग्स होते हैं, मीट होता है, बहुत कुछ हम लोग खाते हैं। सो इसकी वैल्यू, इसकी अहमियत क्या है, वो हमें आज इस लेसन में देखना है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग सिर्फ इस लेसन का रीडिंग करेंगे। क्या करेंगे? इसका रीडिंग करेंगे। सब लोग अच्छे से ध्यान से सुनेंगे, ठीक है? सो नाउ स्टार्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ फूड। Arjun and Varsha are brother and sisters. They love to eat hot bajra bhakris with butter. Mother makes a number of other dishes for them to eat with bhakris. They like those too. Can you tell what could be those dishes that mother makes to go with bhakris? What are those dishes made from? In Varsha and Arjun home, they use a lot of other foodstuffs too, from where are obtained wheat, rice, jowar, pulses, sugarcane, karvanda, jamun, bor, honey, salt water, fish and salt, fresh water fish, singadas, makans, lotus seed, fruits and vegetables, meat and eggs. Often, when serving Varsha and Arjun a meal, mother says, "Take only as much as you want. Food shouldn't get wasted." One day, Arjun asked her mother, "Why do you tell this to us every day?" Mother answered, "Why should we waste any good things? Besides, we must give a thought to how we get the food we eat. Let me tell you the story of bhakris." The story of a bhakri. बच्चों, अब भाकरी की स्टोरी क्या है वो हमें सुनना है कि भाकरी कैसे बनती है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली। टेक्स्ट बुक में ध्यान देना है, मैं कहाँ पे पढ़ रहा हूँ, आप भी उसको पढ़ना है। You know, Dada, my mother is a farmer, and you know that schools have summer vacation. When I was small, we often went to my father's fields reading on this tractor. That would be the time for reading the fields. Father would attach different implements to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. First, he would plug the fields and then crush the lumps of soil. Finally, he would level the field to make it ready for sowing. The pre-monsoon showers will make the hot soil humid. That was the time father would sow bajra. Within some days, the bajra seeds sprout and seedlings are seen above the ground. Along with the bajra, weeds also flourish, but they have to be removed. My father would employ laborers to do that. The laborers have to be paid. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. After a while, ears of bajra appear on every stalk. The grain form and the ears grow fuller. As the grain grow, birds come in flocks to eat the tender grains. Then sparrows have to be set up and silent shots use the frighten the birds away. When the ears of corn are full, it is harvest time. That is all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. Then follows tracing and winnowing. That is how we get the grain from the ears of bajra. Varsha said, I understood cutting and gathering, but what is tracing, tracing and owning? So mother said, all right, do what I tell you and you will see. We will continue with the story later. बच्चों इस प्रकार